Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a spot the difference puzzle book. And this is one that I created earlier. So I did do a pirate themed one here. And I'll just go through some of the pages to show you how they actually turned out. So I've got the puzzle. And then when you flick the page, we also have the answers as well. And you can actually make up to 25 pages at a time. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. I'm sure you're going to love how quick and easy this is to do. Let's jump on in. So the tool that we're going to be using for this is called Artistly. This is an AI generation app where you only have to pay once for lifetime access. We are going to be starting off by selecting this kids puzzles option up the top here. And as you can see, they do have a wide variety of different kind of puzzles that you can create. The one that we're going to be selecting today is this spot the difference one. And you can just type in the idea that you would like to generate. So I've got some examples here like animals, space, everyday life. The one that we're going to be doing is pirates. And as you can see, you can do up to 25 at a time. I'm just going to do 10 just to kind of give you an idea of how this actually works. And then we are going to select generate. Perfect. So you can see that our images are currently processing at the moment. And while that is generating, we are going to go ahead and create a front and back page cover for our book. And how we can do that is by using this AI Art Illustrator tool up the top here. So we'll just select this one. And then you can go ahead and choose any style that you like from here. The one that I'm going to be using today is this game characters option. So we'll just select this one. And then it is automatically going to scroll all the way to the bottom where we can put in our prompt. So the prompt that we're going to be using today is cartoon, pirate themed, spot the difference, front page cover. Please make the wording say, and we're just going to put this in these quote marks saying spot the difference puzzle book. Super cute. Now for the dimensions, we are going to change this over to this 3:4 aspect ratio. This is equivalent to the US letter size page, and it does match the puzzle books that we are creating. And we're also going to change this over to 4 so that we can generate 4 images at a time. And while that one is loading, we're just going to scroll down and see how our spot the difference pictures have turned out. Oh, they look cute. Okay, that's great. It looks like we've got a good variety going on as well. If you want like a closer version, you can select this eyeball and then it's just going to zoom in a bit for you too. And if we scroll up, we can see how this has gone. So, oh, I really like this one. This is actually really cool. So let's say we want to use this image as our front cover. You can then go ahead and use like this one as the back, or you can select the eyeball, click on regenerate, and then just remove the wording. So let's just say no wording. And we can change this to back page cover. It does usually like to add a barcode, so we can try guide it not to do that. I'll also show you how we can edit the image that we're going to be using for the front page as well as another option there. If we scroll up though, we can go over to this AI Design Assistance button here, and we can use this Human Stylizer option. And we're just going to choose from library. So we're going to go ahead and choose this one that we liked. And then we're just going to write in, please use this design to create a matching back cover of a book. No words, no barcode, design only. And we're going to click stylize. So this is kind of the place where you would go to edit any kind of images. Let's say if you didn't like this part here, for example, you could ask the Human Stylizer to remove the part and then everything else should remain the same. Sometimes it doesn't work, but that's kind of an overview of how it works. And if we scroll down, you can see they always like to add the barcodes in. So we just try to add that in. Hopefully it does take our directions correctly. See, there you go. It's added the barcode. It's done it again. And now if you were happy with this and you really wanted that barcode gone, you can just go back to the AI design assistance and ask it to remove it again. And then I'd probably take this image into like Canva or something and then put some wording here, and you could just add in like what the book is about, how many spot the difference puzzles it has, or something along those lines, just to kind of fill in the space and make it look a little bit more professional. But I'll show you how to put the book together. So how we can do that is we can click this kids puzzles option here, and then we can click on create flipbook. And we're just going to select pages, and this is going to select the pages that we've just generated. If you try and click on this one here, which is the ones that I made earlier, it is automatically going to unselect all of these. So you only can do these ones at the same time. You can't add anything outside of that. And then we just select create flipbook. So for the title, I'm just going to write in Pirates, and the front cover, the one that we liked was this one here. And then we can also choose a back cover as well. So you can choose whatever image you wanted to use. Let's just say we wanted this one here. And then we're going to select generate flipbook. And you can see this one is currently in progress at the moment. These are ones that I played around with earlier, and some coloring books that I've also previously made as well. But look, we can see that this has now changed to ready, which is great. We can either read the document, we can download it, or you can also download your KDP manuscript. So this is perfect if you're looking to sell these kind of products on Amazon. But we'll have a look at how it's turned out. So we'll select the read button. And just like that, our Spot the Difference book is completed. Again, this was created using Artistly. I am an affiliate, so I will be leaving my link down below. And if you do decide to use it, I will get paid a small commission, which helps me to create more videos like this. I really hope that you've learned something new. Please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.